Want to type with your voice? In 60 seconds I'll show you how. Step 1. Click the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Step 2. Select Keyboard from the sidebar in Settings. Step 3. Toggle on dictation and confirm when prompted. Step 4. Choose your microphone, language, and shortcut keys. Quick tip: enable enhanced or on-device dictation for privacy and speed. Now place the cursor in any text field and press the dictation shortcut. You'll see a microphone icon. Speak naturally and include punctuation words. Say phrases like comma, period, new line to add punctuation and breaks. For advanced voice commands, enable voice control and accessibility settings. If dictation fails, check microphone permissions under Privacy or restart your Mac. That's it. Try dictation now and save time typing. Thanks for watching.